guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube, and in today's video we are doing a Colourpop haul. This is the third haul I've done, and can you believe while I'm filming this the other two are still not even up. This has not got as much as the other palettes have, the other hauls have, but it's got enough. I didn't realise there would be so much in this. The first things I'm just going to pull out from the top is the Powerpuff Girls blushes. This is the shade Fighting Crime. It's a nice hot pink, definitely something I would reach for. Really nice. Then this is the one called Saving the World, which is more of a coral shade. Again, really nice colour right there. I feel like I'd reach for both of them. And then from the previous hauls, I didn't actually open these lot up for you. These are the quads. I forgot about them and I just thought I'd put them in the next haul. So these quads look like this. This one's called Sparkler. I've used them and they're very nice. You do have to build up the pigmentation, but they are very nice for a quick wash of colour. This one is Cream Soda. Let me just like swatch some of these for you, because you know I love a good swatch. That is really nice. And then I'll swatch the matte. Like Colourpop never ever fail with their pigmentation. And then this one is Mocktail. I love the look of this one because of this shade here. It's just perfect corally kind of colour, like, and it's got a bit of shimmer to it, so it looks banging. And now we have Creamsicle, which looks like this. Really nice. I absolutely love this one. This shade here is stunning and I love the way they close. They're like magnetic. And the last one that we've got here is Citrus Fizz. This is the one I've used. This is like a neutral lover's dream who likes gold, because you've got a light gold and you've got a darker gold. So you've got inner corner, you've got lid shade, you've got the mattes for the crease. This is like a perfect quad. Just look at those golds right there. Perfect for me. Then I bought the Volts. I've got the nude Volt and I've got the red Volt. It's called Bring the Heat and Truth or Bear. This one I've already done a lip swatching video for. This one is coming soon. They were $26 each, but they were buy one get one free. It cost me 30 quid to get them over here, so I was super excited for that. Colourpop lip liners are my favorite like lip liners of all time. And then we've got some shadow sticks from the Powerpuff Girls range. We've got this blue one, which, oh my god, looks incredible. Look at that. I've not used a shadow stick in a very long time. The blue one's actually called Princess Morbooks. And then we've got, I love him, Mojo Jojo. Packaging is so cute, and of course this is like a lime green shade. It's so nice, isn't it? And then we've got him. Just look at that. Oh, look at that. Definitely very good colours for the characters. Oh, this one, they all have like glitter in them as well, but like not glitter that's going to irritate you, glitter that's just going to give it a pop. And then we've got the palette. The palette is absolutely stunning. The packaging, everything on this is absolutely adorable. Look at that. Look at the packaging, and oh my god, everything about this. The girls, the colours. There's a lot of shimmers in here compared to some of their palettes. There's 6 shimmers in here, and then these are like embossed with like a flower, a star, a heart, the names Townsville, the Mayor, Frenemy, Chemical X. Everything is just, oh, I love this palette, man. The last thing we have are the ice cream palettes. So we've got Sunday Funday, which has this bright pink in it, and the packaging on these are super adorable. Then we have Rainbow Sprinkles, and if any of these catch your eye that you want me to play with, just let me know, because I feel like they're quite shimmer heavy because they are ice cream themed, but they come in that same kind of packaging as the other quads. But this is like an all glitter palette, and what I like is the glitter never irritates me from Colourpop as well. Look at that. We have Waffle Cone, which I love the mint green in this because it's like a dark mint green. Triple Scoop. Just look at that, nice neutral palette. 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. This shade down here, if you saw the other shade that I was saying I love, this is quite similar. Then you got Gimme Sugar. Oh, I gotta open this. It's purple. I love purple, I love pink, I love neutrals, but gorgeous, absolutely. Oh, and you know how I always say, oh, some companies, they really struggle with purples. Colourpop don't struggle with a colour. I'm telling you, I never have an issue with a Colourpop colour. And then we have the last one, which is Extra Toppings. Can you believe I've done this video in under 10 minutes? I felt like there was going to be more. Oh, if you like pink and neutral and something a bit girly, you're going to love this one. This one, Extra Toppings. Oh, and they're just so soft. I've put it there. And that was everything in my Colourpop haul. I really thought this was going to be much longer than it was. I really hope you did enjoy this. If there's anything you want me to test out, as usual, just let me know. I do get through things quite slowly because there's new releases all the time. I haven't ordered from Colourpop for a little while now and I'm quite proud of myself. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!